The recording?
Yeah, I think so, but okay, guys. Well, we just got out here. We're just gonna see how many water bottles a pellet gun can go through, but we seen a bird, so we thought about shooting it. So I don't know if I can see it no more. Where'd it go, Aiden?
Someone say my name!
It's fine. Everybody says their name. Okay. Just don't say your address, guys. So I think we might just leave that bird alone, because right that way is our vehicles, and I don't want to take the chances of shooting our vehicles. So, yeah. And one of the freaking bottles just fell over. Let's see. Oh, I see a shadow of a bird on the ground.
Yep, I see one.
Yeah.
It's the woodpecker. But it's towards our neighbor's house.
I remember one time I had my 410 out here one day. I was sitting right there at that pile where we didn't.
Well, I kind of seen a squirrel.
Well, I was sitting right there, and whenever I did, there was just like 20 birds just sitting there. I shot. I was gonna try to get two in one, but no, I didn't know. Let's see if this little go through two of them before. Okay, so I was gonna shoot from the. Aiden, you need to keep that camera good because I don't want to do that. Well, they're totally unequal right now, but.
Screw it! Wait, dude. Can't even zoom in.
No, you can't zoom in. No. Well, I think we took one. I don't know.
No, I see one. I see two of them leaking.
Well, she found them in. Well, what happened is they were unequal. I need to level our ground, like a board or something. Yeah.
I don't care if they're unequal. We'll hold the camera.
Hold on.
What the freaking phone, Trent?
Let me move this shot bottle. It's so muddy out today.
So snowing.
Well, if you guys haven't realized, even though I haven't told you yet, we're out in the snow.
You can say! I'm a dumb retarded dude.
Hold this up again. And then we're gonna let that guy shoot. Well, Aiden shoot.
Why did you say that guy? You're so dumb.
There, we got one in the chamber, or whatever you guys want to call that.
Barrel.
Well, I see around probably 5 birds up there already.
No. Freaking love that. Run, Trent.
No, dude. See that?
Oh my god. Hi, bird. That's a blue jay.
That's a blue jay. We can't shoot that. Frick! Why shouldn't it be another bird? Yeah.
It's okay, Trent. I love
Definitely blue jays. Well,
look at his jacket, man. It's so cool. Now let me shoot.
here, Aiden, take the.
Is it loaded?
Yeah, you pull that trigger right now. It's shooting. Guys, this is a long video. It's not really my fault. Aiden, just shoot them 3 bottles. Don't know if guys can see those, but And it probably went right through him, but... Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to show you guys the gun we're using today. We're using the Silent Cat 1250 Gamo cat, so it's a silent cat. Oh, that right there, that pole. I was seeing if this thing was sighted in last night, and I hit that pole from that deck. So it's sighted in. Don't know if you can still see the ding mark, but I heard the ding. I was like, yes. Here, Aiden, take the camera. Don't eat snow.
I love snow. Snow my favorite.
Well, Aiden, you know what I say? Did you record me? Bird hunt? Might be able to sit from my deck and shoot one. Oh, I see a woodpecker right now. Aiden, come with me. We're not going to do this. You just fell, didn't you?
Yep.
Here, hold that camera right at me.
Hello. Ah.
Oh my God, Aiden, look at the cat. It's up in the tree.
Oh my God.
Show you two. There's a bird on the backside of the tree. I seen her cat come down. I thought, Aiden, you gotta keep that camera face back. Nobody's gonna like the video.
So I'm done because my cheeks are getting real cold and I don't want to burn. I don't want to get down.
Well, don't know how I'm gonna shoot and hold the camera, but the birds. What? No. Okay. It might have flew away with Aiden. As if you guys can't see, there's a cat in the tree. And that bird was right in this tree right here. Where I'll sneak around, try to spook it out in the open, use a tree as my little stupid cat. Yeah, I don't think Aiden not holding the camera right and me trying to find it done scared it off. Well, Doc, how'd you get loose? Dumb dog. Okay, guys, so change of plans about the other spot. I found one right over here. This bird. Bird just thinks he's a little. He just thinks he's better than everybody. So I'm gonna pop him real quick. Where's he going? Oh, I know where he went. He's right there. Let me sneak up on him and we'll shoot from the trucks. Guys, I'm sorry if I can't get this on video, but I'm gonna have to, well, don't know where I can set it. Okay, let's try this. Freak. It just flew off on me. Can you believe that? What the heck? Well, I know there's like tons of birds over here, so let's pop me one real quick. Oh, here's mainly all blue jays, but right over there's a bird. Little snowbird, I think you can call him. Or whatever you want to call him. But I'm going to have to get off here I'm gonna have to pause this video real quick. Stupid gloves. They ain't finger touch, so